This is how those bearings and seals start leaking. This is just Bermuda grass here, all tangled up around it, but if you got any kind of baling string off of hay bales, and this grass too, it'll wear inside there and get inside that bearing. So now we got to try to get all this dang grass out of there. Both sides. Burn some of that stuff off of there. Put the cuts off of it now. That one wasn't so bad right there. This one's the worst one. That may take a while. I'm gonna have to find something else besides this pair of clippers. I want y'all to look at this. It took me nearly an hour to get all that grass off of that end of that shaft there. Look how much came out from underneath there. I mean, that's a big pile of grass that was wound up against that thing. Whew. I'm gonna try not to let that happen again.